Hey everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm going to show you 4 apps on your phone or on Facebook, whichever you prefer, that will get you free stuff at MGM properties around the world. There are 4 apps, and the apps are called Pop Slots, My Vegas Slots, Konami Slots, and My Biggest Blackjack. So you need to go to the Apple Store or the Google Store and get those apps. They're free. And when you play, you accumulate points and you can get, like I said, free stuff, including rooms, food, shows, you name it. I'm going to quickly go through these apps and show you how I play. You can obviously pick your own games once you download the apps, and how I accumulate points. And this really does work. There's no catch involved here. In the beginning, it takes a little while to accumulate, but once you start accumulating points, they really add up quickly, and you start getting free stuff pretty quick. And no, they're not sponsoring this video, nor am I getting some kind of commission. I wish I was, but that's not the case. I'm just doing this because I know it works. I've used it in the past. It's kind of fun to accumulate the points, and it's also even more fun to redeem them. I know you guys really like my Las Vegas and Atlantic City videos, so that's why I'm showing it to you in case you plan on visiting one of these locations. So the first game that we're playing here, the first app, is MGMPop Slots, and all of the apps are connected, so what you win in one of the apps will be carried over to the other apps. If you look at the top of the screen here, you'll see that I've accumulated 561,075 of those golden chips. And then what I have to bet with is 249,450,422 chips to play with. But the more important thing are those gold chips, because those gold chips, that 561,000, is what you get to purchase rewards with, such as your free rooms, your free meals, and your free entertainment. So what you're looking at here is I chose to play at the Mirage, which is actually pretty much close to what I like to do in real life. And the game that I'm choosing is the Wall of Con. It seems to bring me the most luck. You get to choose your slot machine, and this is a slot game, by the way. And they show you which ones are the coldest and which ones are the hottest. I pretty much trust them, and I always pick the hottest if it's available. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to bet high because I've got close to $250 million in chips. So I'm going to bet about $4,500,000 on each pull that I pull. And I'm not actually going to pull because I'm going to choose the auto pull option so that it pulls the slot machine for me. And the cool thing about the auto pull is this is where I make my morning coffee, I take my shower, I shave, I get dressed, and it does all the work for me while I'm not even paying attention to it. While the app is playing, if you should get a phone call or a text message or whatever, some kind of a notification, the app will stop, and then you can do whatever you need to do as far as your phone's concerned, and then just continue on with the app once you're done. Now, while this is pretty much an autopilot, if you look in the upper left-hand corner, it says Casino, and if you click on that, it brings you to the home page. And once you're in the home page, you can click on the rewards link, and I'm going to show you how to do that later in this video. And we'll go through all the rewards you can possibly purchase with all your winnings here, whether it's free hotel rooms, free dinners, or 2-for-1 drinks, entertainment options, helicopter rides, you name it. Pretty much any comps that you can get at a hotel and casino or upgrades, you can get here. So that's what I'm getting at. So as they say on the casino floor, I'm going to let this ride for a little while so you guys can see what's going on and check it out. And when something unusual happens, I'll put my 2 chips in. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So always keep in mind when you're playing these games that it's really not how much money you're winning. That, $100 million jackpot above really doesn't mean that much. It just means you get to play longer. But the longer you play, the more of those golden chips you get, and that's what you want to accumulate, because that's what's going to get you those rewards. And if you notice with each pull, although this is automatic that I have it set on, but with each pull, the more of those golden chips you get, so it slowly adds up, folks. Now watch those golden chips. I'm about to add 150 of them right here. Now those balloons that keep popping up, you either have to tap them on your telephone screen or hit them with the mouse if you're on a PC, and those are going to get you more dollars to gamble with. And that's basically popping that balloon, and that's why it's called Pop Slots. Obviously, if I'm letting this ride and I'm in the shower, I'm going to miss out on those balloons, but that's a small price I have to pay for smelling good. Before we move on to another app, there's 4 of them, like I said, and the balance does carry over to the other 3 apps. I have about 561,000 golden chips here, and not too long ago, I could get a room at the Mirage for, actually, 3 nights at the Mirage for 78,000 chips. So that would leave me with still 400-something thousand to splurge on shows and meals. So let's continue and see what happens here. So now I clicked on the app My Vegas Slots, and as you can see, the golden chips that I've accumulated in my other app have been added onto this app, which is 561,000 plus. So it's going to continue to grow regardless of which app I'm playing in. So the apps are all connected and keep a running total. So as you can see, there's tons of slots to choose from here. I always pick Bridesmaids. I don't know why, but it seems to bring me a lot of luck and adds to that golden chip total. But obviously you can pick whatever slot you want. By the way, Bridesmaids, a great movie, especially if you like Vegas. And of course, I'm going to hit auto spin again on this app because I just got home from work and I'm going to let it ride while I get myself a nice glass of wine. See how easy and fun this is? One of the quirky things about the Bridesmaids slot machine is that if you win a jackpot, it's going to show you a quick clip of the movie. If you want to watch that, you can, but after a while, you just want to tap that screen as soon as it starts and it continues with your game and you can bypass the movie clip. So if you take a look at my golden chips, I am well over 500,000 and it takes 500,000 exactly to get a free helicopter ride at night with champagne from Maverick Helicopters. So that's a freebie that I'm definitely going to click on, but I'm going to continue to play for the next several days so I can get a room and some other comps to go along with my free helicopter ride. So the way I look at it is I try to accumulate 1,000,000 chips. Once I have that under my belt, I can book that helicopter ride above the strip at night with the champagne. I can get 3 nights at the Mirage. I can get a show. I can get some free meals and some cocktails. All for playing these apps in my spare time. In a moment, we're going to check out the third of the 4 apps that I told you about. And while we're there, I'll click on the rewards button. Each one of these apps has a rewards button, so we can see what the rewards are and how much they cost as far as those golden chips are concerned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. And as I said in the other videos, that this giveaway is coming up shortly, the next $50 Amazon gift card giveaway, and you have nothing to lose as if you were walking into a casino. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and you're automatically enrolled and hopefully you'll win. Just ask I Explore Louisiana, who won the last Amazon $50 gift card giveaway a couple weeks back. Great channel, I Explore Louisiana, so check it out, subscribe to it. Fantastic videos on things going on around Louisiana and the towns there. And they just had a baby, the couple, so interesting watching. So make sure you subscribe there and make sure you subscribe here so you have your chance of winning the next $50 gift card giveaway. Next up is Konami Slots, the third of the 4 MGM property apps here that we're playing. And the slot that I usually pick when I'm on this app is Jumping Jalapenos. It's usually in portrait mode, or it always is actually in portrait mode, because of all the bars that go across. So let's check that one out. Portrait, landscape, it really doesn't matter. When you guys start playing these apps, you'll find the ones that you really like, the slots that you like or the tables that you like, and those are the ones that you're going to play, whether it's portrait, landscape, whatever your preference is. Now, most of the comps here that you're going to accumulate have to do with MGM properties because it basically is their apps. There are some other things, like I said, the Maverick helicopter, which doesn't belong to MGM, but there are other things on here, including bus tickets like the Deuce or the monorail in Las Vegas. They're all available here under the rewards also, and we're going to check out the rewards shortly. But what I'm getting at is, for example, I'm Jeff from New York. I live in the New York area. The MGM has a property in Atlantic City called the Borgata, and I've stayed there many nights for free using this app. Now, don't get me wrong, the MGM properties are not going to put you up in a penthouse suite by playing these apps. It's going to give you a regular room, but the rooms that I've gotten using this app are very comfortable with decent views. If you want a penthouse suite and you want to be comped, well, you have to go to work. And by work, of course, I mean gamble. And I know from experience, and I do have some here, that the Borgata overnight cost 78,000 of those golden chips. I have 500,000 of them, so that's several nights at the Borgata stacked up. But I'm probably going to take a trip to the Borgata once it opens up, and I'm really saving up for that helicopter ride and a couple nights at the Mirage, and maybe a show and some dinners, so I'm going to keep on playing here. Now, there is a fourth app called Biggest Blackjack, but unfortunately, every time I try to play it while doing the screen save feature on my phone, it crashed, so I can't really show you that. But again, it's called Biggest Blackjack, and on that one, it not only has slots, but obviously you can play blackjack as well. Now, I hit on the rewards section of the game, and you can see as I scroll through here all the different places you can spend your rewards. Right now, we're looking at the rewards for the Borgata in Atlantic City, and as you can see, this very last one is a free comp night, Monday through Thursday, for 75,000 chips. I already have close to 600,000 chips, so that's plenty of nights at the Borgata waiting for me. And these MGM-owned properties are not just Las Vegas and Atlantic City, but there's also cruise ships, the Royal Caribbean. There's MGM properties all around the world and other things as well. If you want, just hit the pause button and you can see all these different types of things that are being offered here. There's that Maverick helicopter flight above the strip at night, and I've saved up enough chips for that already. Here is stuff being offered by New York in Las Vegas. And I realize now that these hotels and casinos are all closed, as well as the restaurants and shows, but now's the time to download those 4 apps and start saving those chips, because once everything opens up, you can start spending them. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can also get free play at these casinos, as well as slot dollars, so that's another thing you can look forward to. And that's it for now, guys. Just a tip to play these 4 apps, especially while the hotels and casinos are closed. It gives you the opportunity to start saving now. And like I said, once it opens up, you'll have plenty of chips to get a lot of free stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. By the way, the Win also has a app so that you can get some comps from them as well. I've played it before, and it's almost impossible to get anything. These are much easier at the MGM property, so that's why I'm not talking too much about the Win one. I've been playing for a long time, and I finally gave up. And just when I was ready to end the video, I forgot at the very end here, I show you how to book a room. This is a complimentary room at the Bellagio. It costs 150,000 chips. I have about 600,000, so I could definitely afford that. But I'm not going to do it. I just wanted to show you. It's also good for 90 days, most of these. So if you decide to book it, you have 90 days to decide, give them a call and tell them when you want to come down. Or if you want to cancel, and you can cancel right on the app. You don't need to make a phone call. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.